Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbal Remedy 247. If you're looking for natural ways to support your weight loss journey, you may have heard about cinnamon water. But does it really work? Today, we're diving into the science behind cinnamon water and its potential benefits for weight loss. Let's get started. Cinnamon is a spice packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. But beyond its delicious flavor, studies suggest it may have an impact on blood sugar levels and metabolism, two key factors in weight management. So what makes cinnamon water a popular choice for weight loss? Let's break it down. Cinnamon may help lower insulin resistance, which means your body can better regulate blood sugar and reduce cravings. Some studies indicate that cinnamon can slightly increase thermogenesis, which helps burn calories. By stabilizing blood sugar, cinnamon water can help keep hunger pangs in check, preventing overeating. Sounds promising, right? But before you start drinking cinnamon water daily, let's talk about how to prepare it and the best way to consume it. Boil 1 cup of water. Add ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder or a cinnamon stick. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Optional, add honey or lemon for taste. Drink it warm, preferably in the morning or before meals. It's simple to make and can be a great addition to your daily routine. But keep in mind, cinnamon water alone won't make the pounds melt away. Cinnamon water works best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Excessive cinnamon consumption may lead to liver issues, especially if using cassia cinnamon. Opt for Ceylon cinnamon when possible. Consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have medical conditions. So, should you try cinnamon water for weight loss? It's a simple, low-calorie drink that may support your metabolism and help control cravings, but it's not a magic solution. The key to sustainable weight loss is a combination of healthy eating, exercise, and good habits. What do you think about cinnamon water? Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.